Hi, it's Gladys with Redux Styles, and today I've got a quick sewing project that I need to do for myself, but I think it might be good to show you because perhaps you can use this for something you have as well. So what I've got today is a t-shirt. It fits me great. I like it. I wear it a lot, but the length, it is just too long. If I want to tuck it in, it's a lot to tuck in, and it does not look good to me worn out. So what I want to do is go in and pin it up to where I want the length, cut off the excess, and then sew a new hem on it. Now, I'm going to be doing this on my sewing machine, but if you don't have a sewing machine, you can also do this by hand. It'll take you a little longer to do the stitching, but it's an easy project to do while you're sitting around watching TV or visiting with some friends or something. So let's get to it.
So here is the shirt on. It fits, but I just don't like the way it swoops down in the front or the back. And to me, the length is just too long. So to start, I'm going to pin it up to a length that I like. Grab it on either side and turn under to get it to a length I'm happy with, and then pin it in several places. Of course, you can take the shirt off, pin it up, and try it on again to find a length you like, but I like to do it this way because it seems to save a few steps. Now, I will admit that trying to pin up the back when you're wearing it is going to be a lot harder, but I still suggest trying it. Go ahead and turn it up and then put a pin on either side where you can reach it comfortably. Then you can take it off, pin it in place better, and then try it on again and make sure that you're happy with it. One thing to remember is the length you pin it to will be the finished length. So you're going to need to allow for the hem when you go to cut it. So to cut it off, I've got it pinned in place to mark my cut line, or you could use tailor's chalk to draw it on. The fabric is lightweight, so I'm cutting through both the front and the back together. That may work for you, or you may need to do it separately. Just remember to add in the hem allowance for cutting it. And then I take out the pins, and now I need to turn up the hem allowance. And on this one, I'm just kind of doing it. I'm eyeballing it because I'm also able to use the lace trim that's on the front to help figure out where it should go. Once you figure out where it is, then you're going to pin it in place and then take it to the sewing machine.
And here is the after. I am so much happier with this length. I feel like it looks better on me. I can wear it out. I can still tuck it in if I want to. And even if I just want to do a little tuck in the front, there's not a lot of excess sticking out around it. So I'm really glad I took this project on, and I've even got more to do. Now what's going to be different is I've got a couple of shirts here that are knit. It's the same issue. They fit me great. I love them, but they're just too long. So I'm going to be cutting them off, but hemming up a knit shirt is going to be a different challenge. So I'm going to do those in a separate video and share some tips and tricks as I go through this. So be on the lookout for that. But I hope this has inspired you to take something that you've already got in your closet that you don't wear as often as you might like, just because the length of it isn't right for you right now. So consider taking some of it off, sewing in a new hem, and putting it back to use on a more regular basis. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.